All right, this one is Chapter 7, Page 4 review. Chapter 7 review, Page 4. This picture here is about the geometric mean, and we're not trying to find the inside, we're trying to find the outside. So if you're trying to find the outside, the formula is x in this problem. X is going to equal the square root of the closest base times the total base. So in this problem, I'm going to have x is equal to the square root of the closest base, which is 3, times the total base, which is 12. And so this is going to equal the square root of 3 times 4 times 3. I can take the square root of 4 and get 2, and I can take the square root of 3 because I have 2 3's. I can bring that out front. So my answer is 6. Next one. Oh, I got to find y. All right, so y is going to be the closest base, which is 9, times the total base, which is 12. So I can break down to 12. So 9 is still going to be 9. 12 is going to be 4 times 3. So I can take the square root of 9, which is 3. I can take the square root of 4, which is 2. And I'm left with the square root of 3. So my answer is 6 square root of 3. Okay, I'm trying to find the inside now because I have a number inside, which they gave to me. So the inside is going to be, we'll call it y in this problem, is equal to the square root of one of the base numbers times the other base. So in this problem, it's going to be 3 is equal to the square root of 2 times x. To get rid of the square root, I have to square both sides. So this will give me 9 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. So I get 4.5 is equal to x. Next one. Trying to find something in the middle. So that's z. So to find something in the middle is the square root of the two bases. You multiply them together. So z is going to equal the square root of 2. Y. Closest base is 2 times the total base, which is 3. So y is equal to the square root of 6. And then x is going to equal the square root of the closest base, which is 1, times the total base, which is 3. So x is equal to the square root of 3. Next one. Start with the outside. So 3 is equal to the square root of the closest base, which is 1, times the total base, which is 1 plus x. And I need to get rid of this square root. So I square both sides. So 9 is equal to 1 plus x. Subtract 1 from both sides. So 8 is equal to x. So this is equal to 8. To find y is going to be the square root of 1 times 8. So y is equal to the square root of 8, which is equal to the square root of 4 times 2, which is equal to 2 square root of 2. And z is equal to the square root of the closest base, which is 8, times the total base, which is 9. So square root of 4 times 2 times 9. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. And you're left with the square root of 2. So 6 square root of 2. Find the value of the variables. Okay, these two are equal to each other. So 6 over x is equal to 9 over 8. Cross multiply 48 divided by 9. It's going to give you 5.3. Next one, 5 over 5 equals 4 over x. So 20 divided by 5 is going to be 4. And then the last one, 1 over 2 equals 2 over x. 4 equals x.